Isn't he pretty? Look at that big ass beak of his. Holy cow. That's a big woodpecker there, Bella. It's got to cut that tree down right there. Woodpeckers, I think, are done with it. Oh, look at the bluebirds. They're so fluffy. That's a big bluebird right there, too. Oh, he's still out there, Bella. Yeah. I don't see anybody. They're all right there. Bella, they're all out there. The woodpecker went away. Oh, but there's another one. There's another one, and it's smaller. That must be the female. She's not as bright. He left and got his fill full, and now it's her turn. And then birds go. So what you thinking, kiddo? Huh, Bella? She's still down there eating. She says, you're not going to disturb me. I'm going to eat this to it. I don't see nothing down there for the deer. There's might be some rutabaga still out there. The looks of it. I don't see the salt lick out there. Nothing, Bella. Okay. Our bird TV is coming to a closure. Thanks for watching.